Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use the Coinbase wallet. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, to use Coinbase wallet, first download and install the app or extension, then create a new wallet and securely back up your 12-word secret recovery phrase. Then simply go ahead and create a password for app access and optionally claim a Web3 username for sending and receiving crypto. There are a couple things you can do it in Coinbase, and that is going to be transferring cryptocurrency from an exchange or other wallet to your Coinbase wallet. You can also send cryptocurrency, select the asset, enter the recipient address or username and specify the amount and send it. You can also view your different crypto assets in the wallet and manage them from the main interface. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.